and welcome to this baconbits video. Today I'm going to shake the format up a little bit. It's a lot of explanation to do and not a lot of typing, so instead of forcing you to watch me type code, I'm just going to walk through how to install Adobe Acrobat on a Windows using states, Powershell with command, and escaping nested quotes inside of the state. Let's get started. The documentation for this is available here at adobe.com, devnet docs, acrobat etk/tool/admin guide/licensing.html. For this example, I'll be using the serializing via the command line. Specifically, I outlined that we'll be using the command in the format of setup.exe, ISX serial number is your serial number, / lowercase s, and then all. This comes straight from the documentation. There are two files we're going to need. This zip file. Oh, let's go back. The zip file here you get directly from Adobe. That's the downloader. And this is the PowerShell script. This is what the PowerShell script looks like. So the first thing we'll do, as you see here on line 7, is we're just going to get the date. We're going to echo back to the Bacon job log. We're going to get the date and software installation script started. So this would be something like July 4th, 2022 or something like that. The software installation script started. Second thing we're going to do is expand out that zip file. We'll set this destination path, we'll force it, and just a few other expand archive flags. Because here, we especially want the silently continue. Again, one of the main driving points of all development on states or scripts is to have silent, non-GUI, non-interactive actions happening. Line 14. This is the next thing we're going to do, and I've outlined a few, or underlined a few sections. Because we're in a PowerShell script, we'll call it command.exe/c. And this tells PowerShell that we're going to run a command, and that the command comes after the /c. Alright, so this is where it gets interesting. We need 3 double quotes, then the path to the setup.exe, followed by 2 double quotes, and then the ISX is _ serial number equals 2 double quotes, and the Adobe approved Acrobat serial number, 2 double quotes again, and then /s all, and then 1 closing double quote. Now let's look at that. So we start with 3, we do 2, 2, 2, and then close on 1. So the way I want you to think about this is this entire string after the /c starts and ends with a single double quote. And then we're using 2 double quotes internally every time we want to wrap a section of text in double quotes. Now we have to use 2 each time because we are already inside of a single double quote escape or text string. So the way Microsoft has set up PowerShell, when you're inside a double quote string, if you want to include a double quote, you need to double quote. So we're going to start with a double quote. Now that we're inside the double quote and we want to add another one, we have to double quote it. That's why we start with 3. We use 2. We use 2 again, and we end it with 1. I hope that makes sense. And then on line 17, we're going to send a message back saying, on like July 4th, 2022, Adobe Acrobat Pro DC installation is complete. So as you can see, it's a very, very, very simple script. It's 4 lines. Line 7, and 2 of those are just sending data back to the bacon logs.